I have my 2012 Subaru Forester, and the marker light went out. Now, some people call it a running light, some people call it a marker light. It is the small little light that is above the turn signal. In the apparatus, you have your main beam, your high beams, your turn signals, and the marker lights. If the marker lights go out, you fail inspection. Take it to the dealer. It's going to cost you 50 to 100 bucks. I went to the local auto store. Cost me $6, $5.99 for two. So I'm going to show you how to change these, and let's go to work, and hopefully I can save you some money. It's simple and it's easy. All right, we're going to start with the passenger side just to give you an idea what we're looking at. We want to look at the area where actually this is the turn signal. This is what we're looking at. That's what we're going to change. We've got the bulbs, and I do want you to notice that they do come in a 2-pack, so we should swap out both of them. So we're going to start with the passenger side here. And when we talk about bulb maintenance, you gotta wear the glove. The glove protects the bulbs from the grease of your hands, which will hurt the bulb's longevity. So we wear gloves. So we're going to start taking this off. So we're just going to have to turn this. As you can see it, they give you 2 wings, so you can put your hands in there and just turn it. We're going to turn it clockwise. Now I don't care about the bulb now. This is the bad bulb, but I just wanted to let you know the bulb just moves in easy and out. It's that simple. Take the new bulb, replace it, test it, and turn it on first, make sure it works. You'll see the 4 clips, and you will notice this one is larger. So as we look at the base down here, we notice that this is the larger one here at the bottom here where we want to line up. So this one we'll insert just like this. Feel it in there, hear it click. Double check it. It's all done. It's all set. We're ready to go. Hey, now remember the bulbs come in a 2-pack. You might as well swap out both at the same time. They say that they should last for 10,000 hours. That gives you 6 or 7 years of running time. So really you're going to replace this once in your life. So let's do it. It's quick, easy, and cheap. But the suggestion is to change them both. As we look into the engine compartment, we will be able to see the high beams. In that compartment is the low beams, and then right there, simple and easy to get, is the marker light. Below it is the turn signal. Passenger side, same thing. Counterclockwise, here's the clip. How simple is this? Pull out the bulb, grab the new bulb, that's simple, put it in, hear the click. Remember, line up the clips, line it up, twist it in clockwise, hear the clicks, you're set and ready to go. Boy, that's easy. How easy is that? And it took us 2 minutes. Hey, between the two, cost us $3 each. How simple. Saved you money, took us 2 minutes. How can you beat that? Hope you learned something from this video. Hope it taught you something. Thanks for watching. I'm Ken Deininger, just another backyard project. Have a nice day.